Alright guys, we're heading out. There's the end of the train. And we're almost in Williamsville. I can see the high school, I think, there. Something. Yeah. The Williamsville Bullets is what the mascot name is. But yeah guys, we are, by the way, we've made up our break time. We're back down to 5 p.m. and 5:14 p.m. as the ETA. Now we're hitting the small town here of Williamsville. Be nice to take a sign here, to take a picture with a sign. Gonna get a zigzag out of here, probably also through a portion of gravel. Yeah, it just seems like a lot of these roads, guys. Or I could even go that way, because yeah, there's a really bad gravel road there. So I'm gonna go to the stop sign here. And yeah, make a left. At least we're staying on some asphalt-ish gravel. And then this one's nicely paved. Yeah, we're gonna go around these silos. So RCM Co-op. So this is where they buy up help wanted. So yeah, this is guys where they buy up all the produce, seed, fertilizer. Yeah. So it's gonna take us through the little town here. Oh, they're loading them up right now. Coffee, local goods, antiques. It's a nice little nice little town center here, guys. So yeah, it's gonna take us right down this way. Huh. Some guy, oh, nice boat. Wow, with a Mercury 60 on the back. That'll haul some bum. Some guy, Frank, has a Fitness 66, and look at this, guys. This is like a traditional old-fashioned old station Route 66. Yeah guys, complete with a nice little car. So yeah, this is Frank's old station. Now he's got a health club back there. Look at Frank, look at him. Young Frank. There's, oh, now there's a new owner, Jason Hayward, owner of Frank's old station. So he bought out Frank. Oh no, actually that's Norman McDaniel. Where's Frank? Oh, there's Frank Colress. Frank Colress, a Williamsville native, owned the old station from 2000 to 2016. His eccentric personality and collection of memorabilia became an iconic stop for the Route 66 travelers. So here we are, guys. Look at that. This is all pretty cool stuff, man. Like, look at this. Look at this car. This is like maybe 40s, maybe 50s, definitely. They got some bullet holes on the side there. Yeah, Frank wasn't messing about. How you doing? Yeah, folks are real nice. Oh, there's an old, look at that. Treat yourself to the best. Mail pouch, chewing tobacco. And look guys, the thermometer still works. It's just about 30 in the shade. So it's just about 30 in the shade. Yeah. Ethel. This sale. Look at that glass. Glass must be full before and after delivery. Okay. So you got the old oil, probably some oil to squeeze out if you need to lube something up. Look, here's a crank. I don't know if you crank it to do what, but there's a standard oil, mobile gas. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. So yeah, this little gem has seen it. Oh look guys, this is amazing, man. So this is like Frank's memorabilia. Look at this. A Coca-Cola in bottles machine. Wow. It says something like Venezio or Veneto or Veneto. But yeah, you press down here and a bottle comes up and there's a little opener in there. Look. Wow. This is old school, man. Yeah, guys, this is the kind of stuff we're here to see. There is a car out there. Yeah. Let's get back here. Oh yeah. The place is empty, and it's there's just a mirror in there. But yeah, guys, this is great. Just want to tell you guys that.